Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how we can deactivate Facebook account. If you see it helpful, like it, leave a comment and subscribe. Let's start. Tap Facebook. At the bottom right, tap the menu. Then settings and privacy. Settings. Account center. Personal details. Account ownership and control. Deactivation or deletion. Select your account. Select deactivate. Continue. Just insert your password. Continue. Just select a reason. Scroll down and continue. Automatically reactivate my account in 7 days. Don't reactivate automatically. 1 day, you can select the time. For example, I selected don't reactivate automatically. Done. Continue. Continue using Messenger. No, I don't want to use Messenger. If you want, just check it. Deactivate my account. You see it's deactivated. That's all. Have a nice time.